This hotel has a stupid generic lift.
Floor 6. Doors opening.
This hotel has an extremely shallow staircase. It was put in when it was built to make this hotel look posh. I'm in the service staircase. It's a floor plan hotel. And inside this hotel there's a bridge going over to another wing. There's a lift at this hotel. It's a cheap generic. It's not branded. Possibly because the lift manufacturer thought that this was so bad, this lift, that they might as well not brand it because it's such a horrid, boring thing. An air freshener. And so then, we're now on 1, and you can't get out here because this is a weird layout. There's I think there's 4-digit numbers for this part of the hotel and 3-digit numbers for the other part. That's how they distinguish it. And this is actually the first floor of some shops, so it might be the ground floor. I don't actually know what floor we're on relative to ground level. This hotel has a weird layout.